हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल श्री राधे कृष्ण। आज स्टूडेंट हम डायमेंशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। ओनली अबाउट डायमेंशन। द डायमेंशन वी नो दैट फर्स्ट all the physical quantities of interest can be derived from the base quantities. This is, we know that when a quantity is expressed in terms of the base quantities, it is written as a product of different powers of the base quantities. So finally we can say that in this the exponent of a base quantity that enters into the expression is called the dimensions of the quantity. Okay student, in that base quantity. So definition of dimension: the exponent of the base quantity base quantity the exponent of base quantity that enters into that enters into the expression is called dimension of the quantity. Dimension of the quantity in that base. Like example for this, a force or a velocity have dimension L t minus 1. So here is dimension, length is 1 and t minus 1. These exponents are called dimension of the base quantity. Base quantity means length and time. Here is 2 point. Number 1, base quantity, length and time, and exponent means dimension. Dimension here is 1 and minus 1. Understood student? So thus consider here, note one point. Note one point. In this type of calculation, in this type of calculation, in this type of calculation, the magnitude are not considered. The magnitude are not considered. स्टूडेंट, इसमें मैग्नीट्यूड कंसिडर नहीं किया जाता है. ओनली इट इज इक्वालिटी. ओनली इट इज इक्वालिटी. इक्वालिटी ऑफ टाइप, of the type of the type of quantity that enters that enters. Okay student, so for conveys the base quantities are represented by one letter. For conveys For convenience, the base quantity the base quantities are represented by one letter symbol, one letter symbols, like that. Length, for length is L, for mass is M, for time is T, and for temperature and for temperature, so temperature is denoted by sometimes theta, and electric current represented by A, it means ampere. Okay, the thermodynamic temperature represented by theta, and the luminous intensity represented by K. Luminous intensity here is luminous. Now on a second page, luminous intensity luminous intensity luminous intensity represented by K. Symbols of their units K. Mole and candela respectively. Mole is also mole. Candela is also candela in terms of candela. Okay, students. So these are definition or all about of dimensions. Okay. Now some other examples for this. So velocity. Velocity. Velocity means displacement over time. It means length over time. So L is here positive and T is minus. So ऊपर लेकर आएंगे इसको, पॉजिटिव है माइनस हो जाएगा, इसकी डायमेंशन ये होगी. नाउ एक्सेलरेशन, त्वरण. एक्सेलरेशन के लिए acceleration, what is acceleration? Change in velocity over time. Change in velocity. So dimension for velocity over dimension for time. Dimension of velocity is lt minus 1 and dimension of time is t और ऊपर आएगा -1 -2 हो जाएगा. Okay student. Now dimension for force. Dimension for force is equal to m into a. The dimension for m is m, capital M, and dimension for acceleration is lt minus 2. So this have m lt minus 2 dimension for force. Okay student. Now other many type of questions in which we find dimension. Okay, so general case is this. Understood? किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का अगर डायमेंशन आपको फाइंड करना है तो उसका यूनिट आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, यूनिट पता होना चाहिए, यानी उसका मात्रक पता होना चाहिए आपको. अगर आपको मात्रक पता है तो आप उसकी डायमेंशन इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेंथ, मास, टाइम, टेम्परेचर और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट और luminous intensity, candela and mole in terms of. Okay student, so thank you for this. Now next lesson में हम सीखेंगे यूजेज ऑफ डायमेंशन. डायमेंशन के यूजेस क्या क्या हैं, वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में सीखेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो थैंक यू फॉर दिस।